Hello everyone. Today we want to give you a brief demo of conversational. We will demonstrate how conversational can be used to deliver real-time, consistent, personalized, human-like conversational experiences across a large and ever-expanding diversity of conversational interfaces. That includes web, mobile, chat, voice, 1-800 numbers, smart assistants, and messaging. In this demo, we show how the experience looks on two primary channels of customer choice. We will start with a simple chat interface that can be integrated onto your website or on mobile devices, and then demonstrate how the same experience can be delivered using voice assistants. Essentially, for conversational, this is the same technology, same brain being deployed on two different channels, chat. Also, at the end, we will give a brief preview of our dashboard, where all the conversations across all the channels get reported. All right? Let me start with the purchase flow by inquiring about buying a Sense device. The user comes to the system and says, I want to buy a Sense device.
So I start the purchase workflow for buying a Sense device. So the user comes to the system and says, buy a device, right? And the virtual agent gives the option of which one it is, the monitor or the solar. Now, instead of answering this question, user asks another question, which is something the virtual agent is not expecting. So asking about the subscription fees. So it responds on these questions and again gets back to asking about the original answer, to the question that was asked, which device he wants to buy. So again, now the user says, okay, it's solar, right? And they ask, where do you want to ship? I mean, which currently we support the United States and Canada. What do you like to purchase from? And he asks, Canada, right? So it was asking about shipping details, right? So again, it answers the questions and again nudges back to confirm that, Canada is the country from where he's buying. And now suppose the user says no, right? So again, it gets back saying that, with the two countries support, if not Canada, where else do you want to say? So now the user says, USA. So it gives the entire purchase details, mentions the device, the shipping country, the price, and the guarantees on the days for money back, right? And again, asking them to go to purchase. User says yes, right? And so currently we have not integrated with any of the payment gateways, so we are taking an email ID. So he says which email ID, says, you can ask why. Right, so it gives a response that how email ID helps us, update you with the device purchases and the cost of it. Finally, it says, and talks about the privacy of the Sense and says, would you like to go ahead? And says yes.
In this demo, please notice the simplicity of the rather human-like, natural conversational approach we've taken. Now, let's also show you how the experience will look if the same technology was deployed on smart assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or perhaps a customer service number in place of having an IVR, which is what we find in most of the cases. Let me show you now how a millennial user might have a conversation on a next-generation voice assistant.
Alexa, open Converse now.
Hey Rahul, I'm Jenny, the smart assistant for your home appliances, powered by conversational. I can give troubleshooting advice and help you with your appliances. How can I help you?
Jenny, I wanted to buy a Sense device.
Which one are you going to pick? The monitor or the solar?
First, tell me if Sense charges for subscription fees.
There is only a one-time cost for the Sense Energy Monitor. Use of the Sense mobile and web apps is included. New features and enhancements are free via app updates and over-the-air software upgrades. So coming back to your choice of purchase, is it going to be the Sense Solar or the Sense Monitor?
Please also give me some information about the warranty offered by Sense.
Sense guarantees that the hardware will be free from defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of delivery following the original retail purchase. If the hardware fails to conform to the warranty within the warranty period, Sense will either A. Repair or replace any defective hardware or component, or B. Accept the return of the hardware and refund the money actually paid by the original purchaser for the hardware.
Great, I want to buy Sense Solar.
We are currently shipping to the United States and Canada. Where would you be making the purchase from?
I wanted to buy from Canada.
So, here are your purchase details. Device, Sense Solar shipping country, Canada price, $349 note, includes 60-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so, do you want to go ahead with the purchase?
Yes, I want to go ahead with the purchase.
Going ahead with the payment, could you please share your mail ID with me?
rahul@gmail.com.
That's perfect. Sending the purchase details to your email. Requesting you to please check the order details and then continue to make the payment.
Jenny, tell me how to do it. Reset the password on my Sense device.
To change your password, please follow these steps in the mobile app. Select Login. Enter your email address. Select Forgot Password. On the next screen, select Reset Password.
Do I need to reset my monitor too?
We do not recommend a data reset unless something has changed with your Sense monitor's hardware setup. For example, if you have moved homes or have made changes to your electrical panel configuration, you should reset your monitor. Moving houses or changing electrical panel configuration.
Well, I'm moving to a new house.
If you are moving to a new home, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the Sense monitor. This should only be done by an electrician or qualified professional. Once you have installed the monitor in your new home and brought it online, you will need to reset your data to restart the device deletion process. To do this, navigate to Settings, then to My Home, then to Sense Monitor and select Reset Data. I have also sent additional details to your mobile phone to help with this.
Thank you, Jenny.
Hey, I'm Jenny, the smart assistant for your home appliances, powered by conversational. I can give troubleshooting advice and help you with your appliances. How can I help you?
I want to buy a Sense device.
That's a great idea. Would you be buying the Sense Solar or the Sense Monitor?
Does Sense charge for subscription fees?
There is only a one-time cost for the Sense Energy Monitor. Use of the Sense mobile and web apps is included. New features and enhancements are free via app updates and over-the-air software upgrades. So getting back to buffiness, which one would you choose to buy, Sense Monitor or Sense Solar?
What is the warranty offered by Sense?
Sense guarantees that the hardware will be free from defects in materials and workmanship for a period of 1 year from the date of delivery following the original retail purchase. If the hardware fails to conform to the warranty within the warranty period, Sense will either A. Repair or replace any defective hardware or component, or B. Accept the return of the hardware and refund the money actually paid by the original purchaser for the hardware.
I hope this gave you a perspective of how the same back-end engine can be used for different kinds of conversations. We showcased 3 different kinds of conversations. One was related to helping the user with his or her queries while purchasing a product, and the other one was related to helping the user troubleshoot a particular issue, in this case, setting up the Wi-Fi connection for a Sense device. And finally, a third one that showed human-like conversation around the process of ordering a Sense device, answering interjected questions along the way. Now let's have a quick look at the dashboard. This is where we capture all the conversations happening across different channels and allows live agents to monitor them in real time. The data, and hence the insights being captured here, can be seamlessly integrated with other CRMs like Zendesk, Intercom, LivePerson, or others. The platform maintains logs for each conversation and allows live agents to review individual conversations as they're happening with the ability to take over the chat, and then hand it back to the virtual agent at any given time. It also provides lessons such as session lengths, user cohorts, retention metrics, and others for conversations happening across different channels. You can optimize the workflows at runtime, carrying out supervised learning and customize messages from this central dashboard. Please feel free to reach out to us for queries by writing to us at info@conversanow.ai.